yeah. According to the map, that that eclipse was going through southern states. So yeah, it probably was clearer to see from down in the states. We're up north, so like I said, won't see anything, and we didn't see anything. I didn't see anything anyway. A bunch of people were posting on Facebook that they saw it, but these were people that were like down south more, right? The closer you are to it, the better it is to see. So I guess I missed out. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I wasn't really that interested in it anyway. But the pictures are really nice to see. Let me know in the comments if you saw it. It would have been April 8th. So yeah, because it's April 8th right now for me, and it'll be a couple months later for you. It's just the way it works. That's the old phone system, but I have a real phone on the floor for the real phone system. That's just to let people in. It doesn't work as an actual phone. And that no longer works either. That was connected to the buzzer downstairs too. And so is that through that little jack right there. So that's all I needed was a landline phone, and Randy gave that to me. Used to belong to a coworker of ours, and she left it at his place, and he dug it out and brought it here, so I can let people in the apartment. But yeah, it's nice. So far, the only person that's actually visited me was Randy. Whatever. It is what it is. And this shirt is one of my favorites. I don't like being told what to do. Oh, but anyway, my throat's starting to get all phlegmed up and everything, so I need to drink some water. So this is just a little setup that I have for now. We got Taz right there, Chris Jericho, Jake Hager, and over here Britt Baker, Adam Cole, CM Punk, Miro, and Wardlow, sorry. Yeah, I don't know, I just have them set up like that for now. I might change it, I might not. I'm very much in the habit of every once in a while I'll change things around. And maybe I'll put each change in the vlogs, maybe not, I don't know. It all depends on the storyline and why I have them set up like that. Like right now, they're discussing the future of what's gonna happen to them. Like the figures. Like where I'm gonna eventually display them and whatever. And they're also talking about these. These are stands that I bought in like 2012, 2013 when I got my Ninja Turtle figures. They work fine for the Ninja Turtle figures, but these ones don't fit. And I have ordered new ones. So in my little fig fed, if you want to call it that, that's what they're doing. They're discussing the future of the stands that they're going to be standing on. And the ones that I ordered are specifically made for these figures. So eventually they'll have something. to stand on, at least. And then whatever. I'm in my head, I'm planning this big elaborate setup for them, so but that costs money, so that's going to take a while. Going back to the pantry again today. And I've got another delivery that's supposed to be coming today as well, so hopefully I get home before that gets here, because I don't want to be going who knows where to pick it up. But anyway, aside from that, yeah. So yeah, I'll show you what I get from the pantry when I get home. And also what I get in the mail, even though I'm going to do an unboxing video anyway. So that's probably already on the channel. Anyway. I'm going to play a little bit of Atlas Earth on my way there, so I'm going to go. If you want to play it, free to play. You know, you go and you purchase land, virtual land, you get paid rent for it, plus you pick up diamonds here and there, and it gets you a little bit more money. But anyway, if you want to play it, it's in the description box, in my link tree. Atlas Earth.